Working out at home can be frustrating and can kill your motivation. Oh, new episode of Game of Thrones? Yes.
Did you put the clothes in the dryer?
I'm going to show you how to fight those distractions and frustrations so you can stay motivated and get that body you've always wanted. But first, if you're new to the channel, my name is Disciplined Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. This channel is dedicated to getting you fit with great form and technique at home without having to go to the gym. I provide workouts, fitness tips, and product reviews. If that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. So a couple days ago, I put up a poll on my Instagram to find out how many of y'all are working out from home. Man, a lot of you work out from home. So I went ahead and created this video because I know how frustrating it can be when working out from home. So I developed a list of 5 ways to keep you motivated while working out from home. And we're starting right now. Tip number 1, buy some noise canceling headphones. This is gonna be very great at keeping you motivated because there's something about having that music that keeps you it's like this weird performance enhancing drug without taking a substance. There's something about when a good song comes on, you push harder, you run a little bit faster, you're using more resistance than you normally would. You're gonna give that extra rep, and that little bit of a difference is everything to keep you motivated. But notice I said noise canceling headphones because with life happens when you work out at home. When you're working out from home, there are going to be many distractions, alerts going off, doorbell rings, ring doorbells, phone calls. So with that said, not only do you need to use those noise cancellation headphones, is go ahead and put your phone on do not disturb, so that kind of works together. When you're working out, this is your time. This is your personal time. You need to make sure that you make that a priority. So cut off everything from the world and focus on your workout. Now I've tried so many different noise canceling headphones. I've used Apple headphones, the Apple Pros. I've used Sony headphones. I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to headphones. So the headphones that I'm using at the moment are the Beats Fit Pro headphones. I find this to be the best as far as staying in my ears, being very rugged, good battery life, and the noise canceling is excellent. I do like my other headphones, but if you want to see me review some headphones for working out, just leave a comment below. And if I get a lot of people who want to see a video like that, I'll go ahead and make a video of the best headphones to work out with. Tip number 2, buy some fitness gear. Or as I tell Mrs. Disciplined Dave, invest in some fitness gear. I've learned if you're struggling with motivation, the best motivation is going to be your wallet. Go ahead and buy something that's going to help you work out a little bit better. Whether it be some fitness clothes, because if you look good, you're going to work out good. Whether it be like an Apple Watch, which is going to be great for tracking calories or giving you some type of goal to go to every single day. Or my favorite, some workout shoes. If you don't know, I'm a bit of a sneaker freak. I love sneakers, so all those brands out there, if you want to send me some sneakers, go ahead and send them to me. But anyways, it doesn't matter what you buy, how much you spend, but if you do spend some money, you're going to be more prone to use it. So if you're ever feeling a little bit down, just something that will add to enhance your fitness, you're going to be more prone to use it at that time. And yes, this is a temporary fix, but we want to make sure that we spark that motivation, and that motivation can lead to something long term. I don't know about you, but whenever I get something new, I get like a kid in the candy store. I can't wait to open the box and go ahead and use it. So take that same mindset when it comes to getting yourself motivated. Invest in yourself, invest in your body, and buy something that's really going to propel you to keep working out. Next, you should be motivated to hit the like button. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, hitting the like button helps out the channel and lets me know to make more videos that you want to see. So go ahead and hit it. Tip number 3, track your progress. You wouldn't believe how many people I talk to. They're going through every day with their workout routine, but they're not tracking their progress. If you're not tracking your progress, you're setting yourself up to fail. And deeper than that, it's going to kill your motivation, because if you're working out consistently, you're going to have small gains. In the beginning, you're going to have huge gains, but over time, those gains are going to get a bit smaller and smaller, and you're so used to looking at your body every day. So if you can track your progress and see real results, that's going to be a great motivator for you. And I recommend, if you're going through that lull of motivation, what you want to do is go ahead and take photos of yourself. Take weekly photos, daily photos. Go ahead and weigh yourself on the scale every day. Take a look at that progress. When you see those pounds coming off, if you're taking a look at those photos and that waistline is looking a little bit thinner, you're gonna be highly motivated to keep going because you're actually seeing that progress. Another thing you can do is use apps to track your progress, like MyFitnessPal. That's one of my favorite ones because it has graphs and charts that show you exactly how much progress you're doing. Whether it comes to losing weight, you're getting better at reducing your calories, you're getting more output, that's gonna be very helpful. If you're one of those competitive types, the Apple Watch is great because you can have different competitions and rings and weekly goals with your friends. There's been so many times I've been sitting on the couch and one of my friends has got a goal completed or a ring completed for the day, and I was like, man, I'm getting off that couch and I'm working out. If you're that competitive type, that's gonna be great for you. So make sure that you're tracking your progress. Tip number 4. Go outside. Going outside is really gonna help you get a boost of a motivation because that nice sun is gonna hit you. You're gonna get that vitamin D, which is gonna increase your mood. So change up your workout a little bit. Go outside. Go for a jog. And don't think of it as a workout, think of it as an adventure. Go ahead and just make sure that you try to do some type of workouts outside. There's also great fitness equipment out there like UnderSun resistance bands where you can use those bands outside. You can wrap it to a tree. Make the exercise fun. If you follow me on Instagram, you know myself and Mrs. Disciplined Dave, we love to go hiking. That is a great way to get you motivated to go work out. You can go and take a look at nature, and that's gonna really make your mood feel a lot better. And the next day, once you're done with that, you're gonna be more prone to work out because you've elevated your mood by changing your environment. So don't just seclude yourself in the house. Go outside, have an adventure, go work out that way. That will really help you boost your motivation. Now, tip number 5, this is my biggest motivator, honestly. All right, real quick. For all the subscribers out there, I am launching a full workout program. If you're interested in the full workout program, which consists of a day-by-day calendar, follow-along workouts with exclusive videos catered just for you. If you're interested in that workout program, click the link in the description below. I'm gonna have an email list to let you know exactly when it launches. Okay, back to the video. Watching YouTube videos. Now this is not a plug for my channel. Okay, maybe a little bit. No, seriously. Subscribe. But I love watching other fitness channels. It really helps me educate myself. I learn new things. And when I get like motivated by learning something new, I wanna go try it out immediately. It's one of my favorite things to learn how to work out my body better, more efficiently, and safely. So whenever I feel like I'm not motivated that day, let's say I'm working out my arms that day, I'll just go down a YouTube rabbit hole of just looking at different arm workouts and I'd be like, I never thought of it that way. Oh, this works a little bit better. So it really helps me go ahead. I'm just excited to work out that day as soon as I watch that video. And there's some videos that I watch that has nothing to do really with the workout. It's about their motivational speaking. Like I really love Beast Mode Jones. He's one guy that I like to follow. He has some hilarious content out there and great information when it comes to fitness. If I want to learn something more on the technical side, I really love Athlean X. One of my favorites when it comes to resistance bands content is going to be James Grange. He has great content when it comes to using loop bands. And right now, when it comes to short form content for YouTube Shorts, I really like Sean Nelwanyi. Forgive me, Sean. I'll just go ahead and leave a link in the description. This is what his channel looks like. But he has great little short form bits that I really like of a no nonsense way when it comes to working out. Go ahead and expand your horizons. Not only watch me, make sure you're subscribing to other YouTube channels that will keep you motivated with a lot of different variety when it comes to going ahead and making sure that you get your workout done for that day. Because the most important thing, whether you're watching my channel or somebody else, that you go ahead and work out and you get into the best shape of your life. Now, if you've watched this video and you're motivated to work out, you're ready to get off the couch, go ahead and check out this video. This is a series of loop band exercises using no attachments. And if you're saying that you don't have any resistance bands and maybe you just have a pull-up bar, that's all you have. I have a complete total body workout on this video only using a pull-up bar.